Namaste, Vanakkam. For the past 2 days, we were saying about my new perspective on education, um, which were on education and money, where I emphasized the fundamental pivotal factor for India to become a superpower nation is education. Many of you may think, that's good for thinking. How is it really possible in reality? This question may nag you really. So today I'm going to say you how to make them possible. As I said, we need uniform educational resources as as well as some driving resources to acquire those educational resources in order to put an end to the emergence of unskilled and semi-skilled laborers from our society. What are those educational resources? The educational resources are assets which may take any forms such as digital forms and analog forms, which includes text, audios, videos, books, papers, teachers, etc. The contemporary education prevailing in India, not just in India but across the whole world, counts on digital assets. So it is very important for us to develop the cyber domain in order to manage the network traffic on digital educational assets. There are already many OERs, which is nothing but open educational resources. The disadvantages of these OERs are their quality or standard. Since it is edited and republished by various authors, we can't expect a high standard in its every resources. The another major disadvantage is the technical issues confronted by the end users, which are the students, as they might have poor internet connectivity, poor software compatibility, or anything. So, in this modern India, we need some digital OERs for educating everyone uniformly. A technology like ebook must be designed and manufactured in high numbers. So, it is not about the traditional ebook that's available in the market as of now. I'm speaking about something which is available in my imagination. That ebook is very similar to the tablet kind of technology, and it must have uniform resources of education. It must be connected to the cloud, so the technology might cost around 5 to 6,000 approximately. Fine, how can every student acquire this ebook? For this, a student deposit scheme must be commenced by every bank or by an NGO entity. We must suggest someone to do this who must be credible in transactions. In the student deposit scheme, from the time of the child's birth, every day around 10 rupees must be debited from the parents or guardian's account. So the time when the children join the school, the ebook could be provided to every child. More importantly, we should implement the student deposit scheme using the blockchain technology, so that the transparency in transactions are ensured. The concept of ebook must be made mandatory in India, firstly to eradicate the semi-skilled and unskilled laborers. What are those resources that the ebook must contain? Do you have any ideas regarding the content inside the ebook? You can comment it below. Now I will say my idea. A standard organization must be incorporated for managing the ebook, so that the varying standard of the same educational resource never exists. This is the first and most important element for providing the uniform educational resources. The second element is the optimization of the resources and offline accessibility of the ebook. Fine. How these resources can be optimized? Every teachers or professors must unleash their assets, which must include theories and practical classes. From the student deposit scheme, a particular amount of money must be given to those teachers or professors who want more traffic in his or her channel. Before publishing any assets, the organization, as I said, should review them and filter the republishing of any assets. How these assets should be? Fine, actually, we studied many subjects like history, geography, physics, chemistry, etc., which are independent in nature, although in reality it is not. There is no cause and effect among these subjects theoretically as of now. But in reality, these subjects are very related. For example, let's take some technology. Let it be the air conditioner. Based on the geography, the air conditioner technology differs. Numerous technologies are incorporated in the current air conditioner, comparing it with its history. The thermodynamics, which is the major subject for air conditioner, is related with physics. The materials used in the air conditioner is related with chemistry. So this overall classification and the relative concept of education among other subjects as well as current scenario is very important. This will automatically drag the students to learn. Another important thing is from first to ninth standard, one must come to know about all the professions. And in the 10th grade, based on the most searched specialization from the ebook, one must be evaluated. In 10th grade, that particular specialization must be chosen by them and elaborate concepts of that particular domain must be taught. Now, some might have cross opinions on choosing that domain. So in 11th and 12th, they can continue with the same specialization or can choose other specialization based on their own interest. After 12th, the student deposit scheme matures and some amount of money after debit is left over. This can be used for buying some relevant accessories based on the particular specialization chosen. And it is mandatory too. It must be made mandatory. Now, you might have some nagging question. Do we really need educational institutions? Yes, because we need accessories to learn something practically. This is possible only when educational institutions are there. Moreover, you should know that the blue collar workers and white collar workers always face health hazards. This happens due to unbalanced health consciousness. As white collar workers don't do any physical work and the blue collar workers never do any mental work. This concept of work must be eradicated. A balanced work which involves both mental and physical work must be given to everyone. Therefore, the ebook must have two kinds of resources for particular specialization, which prefers to do both mental and physical activity. This ensures good health among the citizens. Is it really possible to achieve this? If so, when could be? Yes, it is possible. Don't look for someone to do it. If you have any school or tuition center, you can really start the student deposit scheme. Remember to implement it with blockchain. Ensure credibility. Whatever you start, implement it with the World Wide Web. If not possible, do it with your local host at least. Once you start it, advertise them. Reach out to a private school first. This will inspire as you keep advertising about this. Okay, you may think that I'm saying this much. Why haven't I tried? To answer this, I'm not a teacher. I'm not a philanthropist as of now. I'm not so influential. And moreover, I believe my part in this society is to drive the people in the right way. But I'm not a critic. I just want the people to adhere the right way. And I'm a hardcore Indian patriot. My duty is to drive them in every aspect of social factors. If you people need any help in implementing this, you can contact our organization INDUCE, which is the brain anchor of India. Our panel members will help you in implementing the technologies needed for your works. I have provided the mail ID below. If you have any doubts regarding, you can send your queries through the mail. We will respond you as fast as we can. This is all about the theory on money and education. So what I suggest you is begin a startup. Let's manufacture more assets. Let India become a superpower nation soon. Let's wish for that. So keep sharing this video as possible as you can. Subscribe my channel. Okay, before that, I want to say something. If this kind of educational resource is published in an ebook, which is available in open source, we must really care about incorporating a educational security sector, which will prohibit terrorists or other Naxalites to really hack the ebook. So they must be prohibited, they must be forbidden from acquiring these educational resources. So okay, keep sharing this video as possible as you can. Subscribe my channel, click the bell icon below. Nandri, Shambho Mahadev.